There's one thing every content creator should do right from the beginning: build a community. Creating an audience of people who follow you, watch your content, and add their comments should always be your first big goal. Many creators rely exclusively on social media and the algorithms that govern them to build that audience. They're doing it wrong. This is the Email Chef channel, the platform that will help you enter the world of email marketing. Today I'm going to explain how to build an email list, and above all, why you should start right now, even if you're just starting out as a creator. What's the connection between social media growth, community building, and email lists? Typically, creators start on one social network, then expand to others, relying solely on algorithms to broaden the reach of their content. Everything goes well at first. Views and engagement increase, the audience grows, until suddenly views drop dramatically. You're doing exactly what you used to do, but you're not getting the same result. Maybe the algorithm changed or the social network added new internal policies. There might even be new regulations, local or international, that affect your reach. Whatever the reason, relying solely on algorithms to give you an audience is a risk. You cannot afford to find yourself overnight without an audience, the lifeblood of your work. This is where emails come into play. If you've collected your subscribers' email addresses and are building a contact list, you can continue communicating with your audience even outside the social network. So, the first reason to think about building your email list is to avoid risks related to platforms. You want to take ownership of contact with your subscribers. If you then decide to open a new profile on another platform, you can just send your subscribers an email and tell them where they can find you. Email marketing, and in fact any email communication between you and your audience, can bring a host of important advantages. 1. You have complete control over your content. When you address your audiences, you want to choose the topics and bring your own points of view. Depend on social media platforms for reach, however, and you have to follow social trends and publish only the content the algorithms will reward. When you contact your audience by email, you're the boss. So, if you feel trapped by the algorithm of a social network like TikTok or YouTube, email can free your expression. 2. You can build a relationship with your email readers. Even a mass email, such as a newsletter, still speaks personally to the recipient. Email is a private space in which the recipient can also decide to respond without anyone else reading their reply. And by creating automations, like a welcome series, you can send personalized emails with the content your subscribers have requested right when they ask for it. Don't worry if this step seems a bit confusing. I'll explain more at the end of the video. 3. Email marketing supports the growth of your social channel. This is because you can send emails that also function as notifications. For example, you can tell your audience that you've just published a new video, or list the 3 most viewed videos of the month. Or you can take inspiration from the content of one of your videos to tell an anecdote or a personal story. Then insert the link to the video for more information. Use your email channel to generate curiosity and mystery that boosts engagement. As you can see, emails are not antagonistic to other channels. They're valuable allies that support the growth of your community. Now comes the main question of the video. How can you build an email list and communicate with your subscribers? You're going to need reliable professional email marketing software like Email Chef and a subscription form for your newsletter. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, do subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. You'll receive a notification every time we publish a new video. To get someone to subscribe to your email list, you need a form, a subscription form on which audience members can enter their names and email addresses and accept your privacy policy. Where should the form be inserted? If you already have a website, insert the form on one of your main pages, such as the home page, the contact page, or even a dedicated landing page. If you don't have a website, Email Chef lets you create a form accessible from a URL. People can sign up by simply clicking a link, and if you use a service like Linktree or Beacons, you can add the link to the form page, among the various links on the page. How to promote your new communication channel. You will have to promote your newsletter, and you should encourage subscribing as often as possible. If you publish YouTube videos or short videos, make small calls to action during the broadcast. Insert the link in the video description. Make specific posts on your YouTube community tab or on other social networks you use, such as Facebook or Instagram. What if people don't sign up? How do you convince them? People won't always sign up just because you ask them to. This is where lead magnets come in. They attract leads, create contacts, and keep your audience close. Promise a reward to people who sign up, such as an ebook, a template, or a free call. Just make sure your content really is useful for your audience. In your first email, send what you promised. Then, start building a relationship. Once people sign up, you can decide what to communicate. Send newsletters with your stories and industry news, or views and content that's always useful to readers. Send notifications about new videos coming out. Without going overboard, you can also send commercial emails where you talk about your products and services. I recommend creating an editorial calendar so you never run out of ideas. If you want to embark on this journey in email marketing, we can give you a free trial period of Email Chef. You can start collecting subscribers and test your first newsletters. If you're interested, find the link in the description. Now that you know the benefits of having a subscriber list and how you can start building yours, there is one more very important step to follow. You must create your welcome sequence. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video that talks about the benefits of welcome emails and how to create them. You can find it here.